Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last weekend, November 17th, the major indexes had a great week. The Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq were all up more than 2% as investors' concerns of rising interest rates were softened on the economic news that inflation was stable in October. This could lessen the possibility of the Fed raising rates at their next meeting in December. The Consumer Price Index, or CPI, remained flat in October, with inflation remaining at 3.2%, still above the Fed target of 2%. Core CPI, which excludes food and energy, increased 0.2% in October, 4% year over year. The Producer Price Index, or PPI, decreased 0.5% in October, 1.3% year over year. Retail sales declined 0.1% in October, however, up 2.5% compared to last October. Import prices dropped by a more than expected 0.8% in October, while export prices dropped 1.1% during the month. Fuel import prices dropped 6.3%, contributing to lower fuel prices in October. Initial jobless claims increased to 231,000 for the week ending November 11th. Industrial production declined 0.6% in October. The NAHB Housing Market Index declined to 34 in November from 40 in October due to rising interest rates. A number below 50 means contraction in the housing market. Housing starts were 1.9% higher in October, but down 4.2% compared to last year. And finally, building permits were up 1.1% in October, but down 4.4% since last October. Year to date, the Dow is up 5.43%, the S&P is up 17.6%, and the Nasdaq is up 34.96%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.44%. Oil closed at $74.96 a barrel. Gold closed at $1,980.71 an ounce, with silver closing at $23.74 an ounce. For this holiday week of November 20th, Monday we'll get the leading economic indicator index. Tuesday, existing home sales and the minutes of the Fed's October meeting will be reported. Wednesday, we'll get initial jobless claims, durable goods orders, and consumer sentiment data. And on Friday, the S&P Services and Manufacturing PMI will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. In the meantime, be diversified with your investments and always know what you want in your portfolio. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video or would like to schedule a complimentary review of your portfolio, please give us a call. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. A very happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.